today I'm here with my friend. So I'm here for stealing her chilies and other fruit and vegetables. So guys, I'm going to show you a little bit. So this is the beetroot, and it's very healthy organic beetroot. In the UK you can grow everything. Little bit hard work, but you can see loads of things here. So guys, I'm taking inside glass house so you can see it's all kind of tomatoes is growing and lots of different kind of chili there. This is different kind of peppers there. It's very spicy green chili here. So I'm taking with me that. You see, there's another one there. The red there as well. So guys, you can see she's grown lots of red grapes here. This is the homegrown red grapes. So guys, this is the cabbage, pure organic. So guys, you can see I have got lots of vegetables and fruit from my friend garden. So guys, I'm going to share with you tomorrow how to pickle the green chili and how I will make tomato chutney. So I'm going to wash tonight all vegetables and drain the water. So guys, sharing with you is a tomato chutney. So for this chutney recipe, almost more than 2 kg of tomatoes there, 30 gram dry chili, 3 tablespoons salt, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, half cup of vegetable oil, 1 fresh lemon juice, but Sichuan pepper, 2 teaspoons. So guys, let's begin. First, slightly boil the tomatoes so we can peel the skin easily. So I'm telling you how it's going to do. It's already gas on. Then I'm going to add hot water. I boiled already in the kettle. Let it boil 1 or 2 minutes because we don't need a fully boiled. We just need a peel of the skin. So you know the guys, it's not healthy to eat the tomato skin. It causes lots of problems. So I'm always peel the tomato skin. And I'm going to put very hot water, boiling hot water in the chili. At least 5-7 minutes. If you do this one, it's easy to grind. So guys, 2 to 3 minutes already I boiled the tomatoes. So you can see it's start to break. We don't need to boil too much. You see it's easily come out the skin like that. I'm going to switch up the gas, then I'm going to drain the water. So guys, I drained the water, then I'm going to let it cool down, then I'm going to peel off the skin. So guys, next I'm going to drain the water from the chili. Just take out. Very careful, this is very hot. So don't try to touch by hand or anything, just use the spoon. So guys, it's a little bit cold now, so I'm going to peel off the skin. Just gently skin off like that. You see, very easily taking off. So guys, next is I'm on the gas already. So I'm going to add the oil first. Let it warm. We don't need a very hot. So guys, this oil is hot, so I'm going to put garlic first. We don't need to fry too much. Only 1 minute we need to fry. After 1 minute, I'm going to put chili. So only I'm frying 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add tomato straight away. To mix all together. Then guys, I'm going to add salt, lemon juice, and Sichuan pepper. Then mix all together. So guys, you can see it's quite watery. This is the mixed tomato. It was like a cherry tomato and it was fresh tomato. So it's natural water come out. So we need to dry this water for long lasting. You cannot dry the water. You know the chutney will be not long lasting. Dry the water. I'm going to cook another 5 to 6 minutes. So guys, this water is dry, so I'm going to off the gas, then let it cool down. So guys, I'm going to grind. So I'm going to put in the jar. So guys, it's done. So I'm showing you. So this is the tomato chutney. So guys, you must try this the chutney. Try to make it very nice. And normally we eat with the momos this chutney.